Welcome everyone. In this video, we will be comparing two popular ASP.NET frameworks, MVC and WebForms. We will explore their key differences, advantages and disadvantages to help you choose the right one for your next project. Let us start with ASP.NET MVC. It stands for Model View Controller, a design pattern that separates concerns into three interconnected parts: the model, that is data, the view, that is presentation, and the controller, that is the logic. This separation makes for cleaner, more maintainable code. Now, let us look at ASP.NET Web Forms. It is an event-driven framework that uses server-side controls to build web pages. It is known for its ease of use, especially for developers familiar with Windows forms. A major difference lies in their architectural patterns. MVC follows the model view controller pattern with the controls handling events on the server side. This impacts how you structure your code and manage complexity. Testing is significantly easier in MVC because of the separation of concerns. You can easily unit test individual components. Testing in WebForm is more challenging due to its tightly coupled nature. In terms of performance, MVC generally offers better performance, especially for larger applications due to its lightweight nature and efficient request handling. Web forms can become less efficient with the complex applications. Search engine optimization (SEO) is another area where MVC shines. Its clean URLs and ability to generate SEO-friendly content make it a preferred choice for websites needing strong online visibility. The learning curve is generally steeper for MVC, especially for developers new to the model view controller pattern. WebForms is often considered easier to learn initially thanks to its drag and drop interface and event-driven model. So, when should you choose MVC? It is ideal for large scale applications, complex projects, and websites where SEO is crucial. Its maintainability and testability make it a strong choice for long-term projects. WebForms is a good choice for smaller to medium-sized projects, rapid prototyping, or when you have developers already experienced with event-driven development. Its ease of use can speed up initial development. To summarize, both MVC and WebForms have their strength and weakness. The best choice depends on your project's specific requirements, team expertise, and long term goals. Consider the factors we have discussed to make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials on ASP.NET and other web development topics. Let me know in the comments which framework you prefer and why.